and the stars may disappear, but I know beyond the darkness there is something waiting here. When the rain falls around me, I let the water wash it away. Every drop becomes a promise of a brighter day. Though the night feels endless, though the road is hard to find, I keep following the horizon, leaving yesterday behind. Every storm becomes a lesson. Every scar becomes a sign. Every step that I keep taking brings me closer to the light. I won't hide inside the sorrow. I won't stay where shadows stay. There is hope beyond tomorrow, calling me away. Let it rain, let it fall. I am stronger. Through it all. When the rain falls around me, I let the water wash it away. Every drop becomes a promise of a brighter day. Though the night feels endless, though the road is hard to find, I keep following the horizon, leaving yesterday behind. Leaving yesterday behind. Into the light.